Hello students, myself Gayatri Sachin Hulageri. We are studying the topic number system, and in that we are studying Roman numbers. If you want to find our more videos quickly, search as Gayatri Sachin, and if you like our videos, please share and subscribe. Today we will study some more examples on Roman numbers. Okay, what they have asked: use greater than, lesser than, or equals to sign. Okay, anyway we have already studied about these signs. Means where the mouth is open, that is greater number, that side come whatever the number comes is the greater number. Where this mouth is closed, that side will be the lesser number. We know that, and equals to mean both the numbers will be same. Okay, this is greater than, this is smaller than, and this is equals to. Okay, now let's see what the numbers they have given. This is Ix, means for our understanding I am writing in Hindu Arabic numbers. Ix is what? 9, and xi is what? 10 plus 1. These are what? 9 and 11. What is the bigger number here? 9 is the bigger number. At what side the mouth should open? This side the mouth should open. Means 9 is less than 11. Obviously. Okay. So we have used the smaller sign here, smaller than sign here. 9 is less than 11. Let's move to the next example. CCCIX means we have to add here 100 plus 100, 200 plus 100, 300, and after 300 Ix means 10 minus 1, 9, 309. Okay, 309, and CD, D minus D is 500 minus 100. 500 minus 100 is 400. This is L is 50. 450, and Ix is 9. 459. Once again, which is the greater number? 309 or 459? 459 is the greater number. So again the mouth is open this side. That means this 309 is less than this 459. Okay, like this. Coming to the next example, CM. What is C? 100. M is 1000. Means 1000 minus 100 is what? 900. Okay, and what are the other numbers? D, C, C, C. So what we have to do? 500 plus 100, 600 plus 100, 700 plus 100, 800. After that XC means 100 minus 10, 90. 890, Ix is 9. So 899. Again, what is bigger number here? 900 is bigger number. So now where the mouth will open? This side. 900 is greater than 899. Okay, coming to the last example, see here. XXXVI, 10 plus 10 plus 10, 35 plus 1, 36. What is this? 36, and this one is again 36 only. 10 plus 10 plus 10, 30, 35 plus 1, 36. What sign we have to use? Because these two numbers are equal, what the sign you use here? Equals to. For your information, I have written like this. They may ask one question like this also. Okay, so like this we can go on adding signs for the given Roman numbers. Okay, let us see the next examples. Okay, what they have asked? Identify the correct number format. Means they have given in the Hindu Arabic system, and we have to identify the correct Roman number system format. Means whether they are according to rules or not, we have to see. Let's start with the first example. 36 they have given. See here, XXX, this is 30. Okay, 6 how they have written? They are written like IV means 5 minus 1, 4 plus 1 plus 1. Is this the correct format to write 6? No. How we will write? 5 plus 1 we will write. This is wrong. 4 plus 2 is wrong. Okay, writing 6. So coming to the next option, XXL means what they have written here? For 30, 50 minus 30 they have written. Do we write 30 like this? When a smaller number right to the left of larger number should be used only once, not twice. Here what they have done? They have used smaller numbers twice, means 50 minus 20 they have used. Is it right? No, this is wrong. Coming to the third option, we will see x means 30 plus 5 plus 1, 6, 36. Which is the correct format according to the rules? Third one is the correct format according to the rules. These two are wrong. Okay. Coming to the next example, 88. How they have written? Okay, let's leave it this. We will come to this one. How they have written XXC? What they have written? XXC means what they have done? 100 minus 20. Do we write like this? Once again, in the S minus L rule, what we use? Smaller number written to the left of the larger number should be used only once. Here again they have used twice here. XXC we will not write for 80. Okay, this is wrong option. And coming to this one, what they have done? LXXX. So this is 80. This is correct. For 8, how they have written? They have written here, this is XXC 100 minus 20. This is wrong. What they have done here? 10 minus 2. Do we write like this? Again, smaller number is used twice here to the left. Again, this is wrong. So, what is the right option? Obviously, this one. See, LXXX 80 plus 8. 5 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So, what is the correct format? This is the correct format. These are why they are wrong. For this information I have written these things. Okay, for your clarification, what is wrong here I have identified and I have written it. Okay, next coming to the third example, 490. What they have done here? Let's see. C. What they have done? See here. Can we write 400 like this? No, because we can use IXCM maximum of 3 times. Here they have written up to 4 times. This is wrong. Okay, we will not write like this. Coming to the next option, CD. This is 500 minus 100, 400. That is correct. This is 50. And again for next 40 they have written like this. Again, this is wrong. We will not use this one for 40. This is again wrong. Coming to the next example, CD means 500 minus 100 is 400 and XC means 100 minus 10 is 90. See, 490. See, 490. This is the correct option. Okay. Like this, we have to identify the mistakes that they have done or they have shown for us. Okay. Fourth example, 1432. First option, 1000 is correct. Again, 400. See, we don't write 400 like this. Okay. This is wrong. Coming to the second option, M. Okay, 1000. 400. How they have written? DCD means 500 minus 100. 400 they have written. That is also correct. 32 means 30 and 2. This is right. And third option, how they have written? Let us see. M. 1000. CD means 500 minus 100. 400. That is also correct. What they have done for 30 is, how they have written? See here. 50 minus 20. Do we write it like this? No, we will not use, because only we can use once to the left of the number, left of the larger number. 50 minus 20, 30 we will not write. We will write 30 like x only. So, which option will be correct now? Second option will be the correct option to show us 1432 like this. If the questions come like this, we have to apply the rules properly and we have to see the correct option and we can find the answer very easily. Okay.